Standard 5th, Subject Environmental Studies Part 2, Chapter number 3, Life on Earth. What are we going to learn in this chapter? First, formation of the earth. Second, beginning of life on the earth. And the third, the animal world on the earth. Formation of the earth. How did the earth on which we live come to be? When did this happen? Was it always the way we see it today, or has it gone under changes? If it has changed, what exactly are those changes? Let us see in this chapter. Around 4.5 billion years ago, an enormous cloud of very hot gases and dust spinning at a great speed was formed in space. As you all can see in the video, that around 4.5 million years ago, enormous cloud of very hot gases was spinning at a great speed. Its circular motion and great speed caused it to divide into several portions, thus creating the sun and the planet which revolve around the sun. So it created the planets and the sun. There are 8 planets in our solar system, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. And sun is the center of the solar system. Beginning of life on the earth. The earth is the only planet where life is known to exist. After the formation of the earth, it took around 80 crore years to form its surface, to cool down and for water bodies to be formed on it. So, it took 80 crore years for its surface to cool down and the water bodies to form on the surface of the earth. As you all can see in the picture, how was the earth first? There were water bodies and land. Then slowly the green part means that is plant and environment started to grow. It is believed that many unicellular organisms or living things first appeared in water. So where did it appear? It appeared in water. So unicellular organism first appeared in water. They are known as protozoa. Gradually, multicellular living things develop from these unicellular ones. Protozoa are so tiny we cannot see them with our naked eye. So as you all can see over here, protozoa, this was the multicellular organism which gave rise to living things. We cannot see them with our naked eye, so we need a microscope to see them. Living world consists of planets and animals. The living world on the earth. So it consists of plants and animals. There are certain characteristics of animals. Let us see. First is animal breathe. Right? Animal need to breathe to live. Second, animal moves in order to get food or for other purposes. So they move from one place to another to get food or for another purposes. Animal of some species lay eggs and their young ones hatch out of the eggs. So as we know, hen, all the different kinds of birds, snake, they lay egg and their young ones hatch out of the egg. And the fourth point is animal of some other species give birth to their young ones. So like cow, buffalo, they give birth to their young ones. They don't lay egg. You all can see it on the picture over here.